Yan, ang maganda dito sa book na to, kumpleto. Ayan o. Kumpleto yung explanation. So, it's really something na very different sa video tutorials or video mga pagtuturo natin sa video. Mas detail kasi, yun, may photo, may mga figures. Ayan. Very, very detailed tong book na to. So, it's like, it's a complete course, no? Ganda. Ayan. So, hindi ko ni-spoil. Marami pa naman. Pero, ayan, kung makikita nyo, if you're interested to read this, no? Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng book na to. And, dito nang galing yung mga, confluences, lahat ng ina-apply natin sa trade dito galing. Yan. So, hindi lang yan. Yan. So, marami, no? It applies, basta technical analysis, it applies to all markets, be it crypto, forex, stocks. Yan. So, huwag kayong ma-intimidate kung ganito yung mga nakikita nyo. Try nyo intindihin, no? Kahit hindi nyo siya maintindihan on the first read, balik-balikan nyo. Balik-balikan nyo lang, intindihin nyo talaga siya. Kung ako nung una, di ko rin talaga siya naiintindihan ng husto. No, nung bagong-bago pa ako, as in talagang zero knowledge pa ako, ang hirap talagang intindihin. Pero, with determination and passion mo sa trading, napakaganda talaga. Napakaganda talagang aralin. And it's something that really caught my interest. So, nakita ko pa lang during that time, I shifted from my old business to this trading business, no? I started with stocks and eventually forex. I shifted kasi nakita ko talaga yung potential. And so, I pulled out all my capital from my previous business, and then I started this. And so, while you are still learning, hold on to your cash flow, no? With your job, with your current business. As long as wala kayong nakikitang life-changing na pagbabago, if you started this forex trading, kapag hindi pa substantial, hindi pa consistent, don't shift, no? Just do it on the side, small steps, baby steps, as you go along. Yun, just if you're interested, just do it on the side first. Don't make that jump. And kasi dyan marami na pressure. You remove the pressure first para hindi ka masunugan na account, hindi ka ma-pressure kumita, hindi ka ma-pressure sa paghabol ng mga presyo ng mga tinitrade mo. Yan, you can be patient kasi you still have your current job, your employment, your business na that provide food. Yan. So, kumpleto, no? Nakita nyo naman, napaka-kumpleto talaga. Yan. So, nabuklat ko na yata lahat ng page kahit marami. Yan. So, don't get intimidated. You can do this. You can read this. You can learn this. Yan, kahit ganyan yung tsura niya mga yan, if you dissect it, and you really can. Okay, so check nyo na lang yan, guys.